Hey everybody, we have this Roadmaster Sterling tow bar here for sale. It does have the cables here, these cables, and it also does have these. They are Roadmaster model 3108-1. They do have some light surface rust on them. Then we do have this other tow bar attachment, model number 851432-01. Then we have this Roadmaster tow bar, excellent shape, does have some light surface rust on it. We have both sides of these, passenger and driver side. This is for everything you see here. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a great day.